Hello Iliganons! Welcome to Villa Castena, located at Purok 4, Dalipuga, Iligan City. Good news to all Iliganons nga nangita og kapuy-an nga accessible lang. Not only accessible but safe and secure ang environment. 550 meters away from the highway or 2 minutes ride lang. 11.5 kilometers from the city or 17 minutes ride lang. O diba? Ang naka-nice ani kay pwede ra siya mabaklay gikan sa highway. No worries kay simentado ang dalan. Ug dili jud ka malapok. Dili sad palupig ang facilities and amenities sa Villa Castena. Na sila'y underground drainage, power distribution, parks and playgrounds, sewage treatment plant, clubhouse and multi-purpose area. Na sila'y basketball court, water line, cistern tank, concrete road, 24-hour security, gate and guardhouse, bungga kailahang gate. And then landscape, perimeter fence, so dili siya basta-basta masulod. Street lights, commercial. And one of the standout features of Villa Castena subdivision is its beautiful natural surroundings. So na sila sea view and mountain view. And labaw sa tanan, convenient location. So, unsa pa inyong gihulat, reserved na. Nada sila'y tulo ka klase nga unit. Na sila'y 2-story single attached. Na sila'y 2-story duplex. And then, naay 1-story duplex. With parking area each unit. So, ang naka-nice ani, kay naka-promo siya karon. So, unsa pa inyong gihulat, avail na. Kay gamay na lang kaayo ang nahabilin nga mga units. So, naka-promo siya up to 20,000 pesos discount. And free move-in fee, save up to 25,000 pesos. Free bank charge, save up to 100,000 pesos. And then, ang iyahang reservation fee is only 10,000 pesos. Sa 1-story o sa 2-story kay 20,000 pesos. Ang monthly equity sa 1-story kay less than 4,000 lang. And then, ang 2-story kay less than 8,000. So, turnover condition, kay ang walls kay painted concrete walls, toilet and bath painted concrete walls with 4 layers ceramic tiles, floor ceramic tiles, floor finish, kitchen cabinet stainless steel with countertop, windows aluminum sliding glass window with transom and aluminum owning window. For more info, you can contact me through any details nga ako'y attach diri sa screen, okay? Bye-bye!